I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable lentil soup. First, gather all your ingredients, including 1 cup of lentils and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Begin by sautéing your diced onions, carrots, and celery in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook these aromatics until they are softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This step builds the foundational flavor for your delicious soup. Next, pour in 4 cups of vegetable broth in 1 can, which is 14.5 ounces, of diced tomatoes. Now, add your 1 cup of rinsed lentils. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of cumin to enhance the flavor profile. Bring the entire mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the lentils to soften. Now it's time to add your fresh vegetables. Stir in 2 cups of chopped spinach or kale, along with half a cup of fresh parsley. Continue to simmer the soup for another 5 to 10 minutes, or until the greens have wilted and are tender. Finally, season your delicious vegetable lentil soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade meal. Your homemade vegetable lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread or a fresh side salad for a complete meal. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. For more great tips and deals, and a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.